Great morning, students. I know that you all have seen and eaten onion, but today I will show you the cells of onion peel.
Great morning everyone. Today me and my friend prepare the slide of onion peel and observe it under the compound microscope. Through this experiment, we can understand the structure of plant cell. My classmate Nitesh Badar will tell you about the material required for this item.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitesh. I will tell you about the material required for this experiment is compound microscope, slide, filter paper, bar, water. The most important thing is onion.
Now, my science teacher will tell you the procedure of this experiment. Let's start an experiment class. I will tell you the procedure of the experiment step by step. First, we will take the onion, peel it properly. Then, we will take the transparent peel of onion with the help of forceps. Now, put the onion peel on the clear slide. Then, add the few drops of water with the help of dropper and also add few drops of iodine solution. After that, we will cover the slide with cover slip. And now we will observe the slide under the compound microscope. So class, from this experiment, we observe the distinct nucleus located in the cytoplasm of the cell.